Welcome to this course on 3D modeling and animation. This course is for anyone who wants to learn about 3D computer art and has no experience in 3D computer software. In this video, we will briefly discuss what can be created using 3D software and what software we will be using in this course. And the good news, it's free. And secondly, we will discuss the first 6 projects that we will create together. Now, there are many different software options out there to do 3D art, but most are kind of expensive. But you won't have to spend any money because there's a great free option called Blender. Blender is an open source 3D creation software, and open source means that it is open to the public to use for whatever purpose. Also, there's a huge online community of people who develop, improve, and use Blender for both personal and professional projects. Let's watch this short video from Blender's YouTube channel, and this will highlight some of the things the software can do. Three D software allows you to create pretty much anything you can imagine. Here we have some examples on Blender's website of different projects that have been created with Blender over the years. You can make models of objects, characters, buildings, landscapes, and there's so much that you can create with this. These models that you create can be used in video games, they can be animated, and even added to live footage to do special effects. Things like fire and water and gravity and physics can be simulated. For example, here's a simulation using lava. Here's one of a fluid chain. Links of a chain can be linked together and they'll fall and stay connected. Hair simulation. There's just so many things that this can do. Your subjects can be realistic. Here is several examples of like a realistic classroom, a car. They can be stylized or a cartoon even, and you can see some of those examples here. 3D software like Blender can do many amazing things, but there are many skills and concepts that you have to learn before you can bring your ideas to life. So as your teacher, my focus is to make each task simple and easy to understand, while making learning fun and hopefully rewarding. So let's take a second and watch this short demo reel that will highlight the first 6 projects that we'll be covering in my course. The first project that you saw was the text animation there at the beginning, similar to what you see on the screen now. And then the next 5 projects will focus on simple objects, wooden objects like blocks and checkers and marbles. I picked these subjects because they're extremely easy to model and the end product ends up looking pretty realistic. So, if you're ready to dive into 3D computer art, watch the next video showing how to download and install Blender. Thanks for watching.